Good morning, everyone, and welcome once again. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel on this Friday, January 12th, 2024. We have an Operation Weather we're doing right now. We have a couple of those we're doing right now. We have a wind advisories in effect for north central, northeast, northwest Ohio, and Pennsylvania counties from 4 o'clock this afternoon until 1 o'clock Sunday morning. They're saying southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour expected. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around on circular objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: future trends in the forecast may warrant an upgrade to a high wind warning, especially areas roughly and west of I-71. Preparedness precautionary actions: use an extra caution when driving, especially operating a high vehicle, circular objects. Again, this is a wind advisories in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 1 o'clock Sunday morning, all on this Friday, January 12th, 2024, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Also, we have a wind advisories in effect for East Central Ohio, Northwest, Southwest, and Western Pennsylvania counties, as well as northern as well as the panhandle of Virginia counties, also till 1 o'clock Sunday morning. They're saying southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour with 50 miles per hour gusts expected. They're saying impacts: gusty winds will blow down on circular objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Preparedness precautionary actions: winds this strong can be driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use an extra caution. Circular outdoor objects: please report down trees, power lines, or large branches by calling 412-262-1988 to post to the National Weather Service Facebook or Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Again, this is a wind advisories in effect for East Central Ohio, Northwest, Southwest, and Western Pennsylvania, as well as the northern panhandle of West Virginia until 1 o'clock Sunday morning, all on this Friday, January 12, 2024 from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. And finally, we have a high wind. We have a high wind warnings in effect for Cuyahoga Lake and Ashtabula Lake Shore counties. Also till 1 o'clock Sunday morning. They're saying what? Southeast winds to 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. They're saying impacts, damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be very difficult, especially for the high-profile vehicles. Additional details: winds will interlily to be southeast this afternoon and evening, becoming southwest tonight. The strongest winds are expected near the lake shore. Please should avoid being outside in forest areas and trees and branches. If possible, remain the lowest levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you're driving. That's preparedness and cautionary actions. Again, this is a high wind warnings in effect for Cuyahoga Lake and Ashtabula Lake Shore counties until 1 o'clock this afternoon, all happening this Friday. January 12th, 2024 from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Let's take a look at the forecast for today for Titusville, but remember, subscribe to both of my YouTube channels, Jeffrey's regular channels and Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. So here's the forecast for today. They're saying becoming windy with snow developing in the afternoon. High 38. Southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 100%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, we're just going to read tonight, today, and tomorrow, by the way. So, and Sunday as well, since it's supposed to be in effect. So we're just going to read today, tonight, read today, tomorrow, and Sunday in this one. So, tonight, windy with periods of rain and snow, low 29, southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Saturday, blustery with snow showers. High 32. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Saturday night, cloudy, snow showers developing after midnight. Low 18, southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Sunday, overcast. A few flurries or snow showers possible. High 20. west-southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Sunday night, partly cloudy skies, cold, low 7, southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. There's an ad on there now. Alright, here comes the next video, Rolex. So on to the next video, roll it, and then we'll do the Meadville weather and stuff coming up next. We'll be right back. Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. Just joining us, we have a couple of Operation Weathers. We have a couple of Operation Weathers we're doing right now. We have a wind advisories in effect for north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and Pennsylvania counties, as well as east central Ohio, north central, south central Ohio, and northwest Pennsylvania counties until 1 o'clock this afternoon. 1 o'clock Sunday morning. And we also got a high wind warning in effect for Cuyahoga Lake and Ashtabula counties of Ashtabula Lakeshore County it is, until 1 o'clock this afternoon. So here, when we left off, here's the forecast for today for Meadville. They're saying gusty winds developing, intervals in clouds and sunshine will give away a mixture of rain and snow this afternoon. High 39, southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 100%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, occasional rain. Some snow showers mix in overnight. Low 28. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Saturday, windy with occasional snow showers. High 32. Southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. About 1 inch of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Sunday, overcast. A few flurries or snow showers possible. High 20. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Sunday night, partly cloudy, cold, low 7. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Greenville today. They're saying today, gusty winds, intervals in clouds and sunshine early will give away cloudy skies with periods of rain in this afternoon. High 42. Winds southeast winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall around 1/4 of an inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, windy at times. A steadier rain this evening, tapering to showers, becoming mixed in with snow overnight. Low 28. South winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Saturday, windy with snow showers in the morning. High 32. Southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Sunday, cloudy, high 21. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Sunday night, a few clouds from time to time, low 10. Winds winds west southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Here's the forecast for Erie today. Here's the forecast for today for Erie. They're saying partly cloudy early, then becoming cloudy with wind threat rain this afternoon. High 41. Southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, increasing to 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall around 1/4 of an inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Saturday, windy with on and off snow showers, becoming a steadier snow in the afternoon. High 35. Southwest winds at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over, get this, 50 miles per hour. Wow. And for Saturday night, windy. Snow in the evening will give away snow showers overnight. Low 20. Winds southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. For Sunday, snow along with gusty winds at times. High 23. Winds southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. 3 to 5 inches of snow expecting. And Sunday night, intermediate snow showers. Gusty winds early. Low 12. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 50%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expecting. For Pittsburgh, I already done the operation weather. I went under Greenville on that, so. Because everybody's under a wind advisories, but a couple areas around. Yep, I did that one. So here's the forecast for Pittsburgh today. We're approaching 20 minutes here in a moment. So here's the forecast for Pittsburgh today. They're saying partly cloudy skies early, then becoming cloudy with periods of rain in this afternoon. High 45. Winds east-southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall near 1/4 of an inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Come on. Well, I want to see what tonight is. Thank you. Alright, here's the forecast for tonight. They're saying rain early, then remaining cloudy with showers overnight. Low 31. Southwest winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall near a quarter of an inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. For Saturday, cloudy and windy. A few flurries or snow showers possible. High 35. Winds south-southwest. Or winds west-southwest it is. At 20 to 30 miles per hour. For Saturday night, cloudy skies. Low 24. Winds west-southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. For Sunday, cloudy skies early, followed by partial clearing for the afternoon. High 27, winds west-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Sunday night, partly cloudy, low 15, winds west-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And finally, here's the forecast for Northeast. Here's their forecast for today. They're saying partly cloudy skies early, then becoming cloudy with wind-driven rain this afternoon. High 41. Southeast winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, with increasing to 25 to 30 miles per hour this afternoon. Chance of rain 100%. Rainfall near a quarter of an inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Tonight, windy. A steadier rain this evening, with showers continuing late. Low 31. Southwest winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. For Saturday, windy with periods of snow. High 35. Southwest winds at 25 to 40 miles per hour. Chance of snow 70%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expecting. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. For Saturday, windy. Snow in the evening will give away snow showers overnight. Low 19. Winds southwest-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. For Sunday, snow along with gusty winds at times. High 22. Winds south-southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Chance of snow 80%. 3 to 5 inches of snow expecting, and that's it. No, I'm sorry. I forgot Sunday night. And finally, Saturday night, intermediate snow showers. Gusty winds early, low 11. Southwest winds at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Now that's it. It's supposed to call for wind advisories are going to start from 4 o'clock this afternoon, and it's supposed to end late tomorrow night into Sunday is what they're calling for right now. And same way with the high wind warnings. But now all the wind advisories and high wind warnings are going to end at the same time. So. Alright, we're on exactly on 25 minutes right now. This is the only video we're doing right now. So this is probably going to be it for today for Jeffrey's regular channel page. Again, we got a wind advisories in effect for Northeast Ohio, Northwest, for North Central Ohio, Northeast Ohio, for North Central, Northeast, Northwestern, East Central Ohio, and for Northwest, I'm gonna go check under Greenville again. I think I got them right this time. For Southwest and Western Pennsylvania counties until 1 o'clock Sunday morning. And there's also a high wind warnings in effect for Asheville, Lakeshore, Lake, and Cuyahoga counties until 1 o'clock Sunday morning. It's supposed to start from 4 o'clock this afternoon and ends late tomorrow night into Sunday. So some places are supposed to call for some rain. It's supposed to have some snow mix in coming up. But most of Erie counties around Pennsylvania and New York are going to get some snow possibilities too. So Sunday's supposed to have just snow around in Erie. So we're going to get off for the day, and thanks for watching Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. Again, one more time, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube, along with Jeffrey the Train Expert's YouTube channel, who's going to start the uploads coming up. So everybody else, have a good day, and we'll be back on next week for more live videos. Talk to you later.